Hey everyone! So the last video I did was torture for me to do a flip cup, dirty pour, and then swipe. So it's drying beautifully, it looks great, so I'm going to try doing something a little bit different because I'm not going there again. So I think I'm going to do a mini flip and drag. But I kind of want to move it around the canvas and see what will happen. So it's going to be like a flip cuppy type painting. See if I got enough there. So a lot of people are asking me why you need base paint. If you use the white paint that you're using for painting, it's just so thick and it takes forever to get it on your canvas, and it's hard to get it smooth. So that's why I mix a separate paint for bases like this, so that it flows a little faster and it's easier to pour. It's a nice base for other things you want to do. You don't have to. If you want to use your thick paint, go right ahead. There's no laws in acrylic pouring. You do your own thing. I'm just putting it out there for people that ask. Or people that watch us and ask why we do that or how we mix it. So that's why I did the video. Don't worry, you're not doing anything wrong. We just do what works for us. So, I'm going to do a drag with a cup. I'm going to use a 5-ounce cup, and I am going to spray it with the WD-40 silicone spray. And most of you know I have an Amazon shop where you can buy all these supplies. The link is below. Okay. So I'm going to mix some colors up here. We're going to use Grumbacher Prussian Blue. Grumbacher Phthalo Yellow Green. Lucas Turquoise. And I think I'll put in a metallic. And I think that will be the Grumbacher Prussian Blue mixed with the iridescent medium. So I'm going to go ahead and start layering. I'm going to start with the iridescent medium first. And then the Grumbacher Prussian Blue. Follow that with the lime green. I call it lime green. And go back with just a touch of the Prussian. And hit it with the turquoise. Now I'm doing about half a cup of paint because I want to move it around. I don't just want a line. Get just a tiny little swirl. And I'm probably going to start up here. I'm so glad it didn't splatter. So I will poke a hole to release some suction. And if this is the first time you're watching, go ahead and subscribe while you're here. You get to see all of our wonderful little escapades. And we do Monday Night Lives every Monday at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. selling up beautiful. So I'm just going to move a little bit around to get that filled up. I wanted some negative space, but I still want a painting. I don't want just a flip and drag. A little bare canvas here. I think what I might want to try is going in with a white cup and going through the color. Trying to push that off the edge there. If I can get some of this down here to go. Not without getting too much, but we can airbrush that out a little bit. So I think I'm good there. One spot where I added that white that's not cooperating with me at all. Today is not a very good painting day for me. My first one went smooth. Okay, let's airbrush it out a little bit and see if we can fill up this edge here. Yeah, check out my Etsy shop. We have everything in there that you need to do acrylic pouring. Even the airbrush is there. Selling really pretty in the white. So I think that's all I'm going to do to that one. So, click like and share, leave a comment, let me know what you think. And that's it for that one, guys. Light and airy, not too intense. I'm liking it. My runoff is beautiful. I will be using that for some skins. So have a great day, guys, and I will see you on the next one. Bye now.